Invest in your future with a wealth of commerce knowledge and skills. The Bachelor of Commerce flagship program at Chandigarh University provides in-depth knowledge of advanced commerce, finance, and business management. Tailor your commerce journey with diverse specializations, equipping you with expertise in high-demand domains. The program is aligned with the CA curriculum, offering a seamless path to becoming a chartered accountant. Enhance your skills with over 30 certifications in collaboration with top organizations like NISM, HDFC Bank, and Deloitte. Drive the future of commerce with training in financial analytics, digital accounting tools, data management, and digital payment solutions. Gain international experience through semester exchange and study abroad opportunities with prestigious global universities and institutions. Gain direct exposure to top industry leaders through internships, live projects, and corporate mentorship. The program paves the way for a rewarding and successful career. The future of commerce is at your fingertips. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.